Hello, this is George, son of the guy from Pittsburgh, and it's mail time. I got a king-size catalog. I made a mistake of putting all this in the bag, and water got on it, so it's going to have to dry out. And I got this, and this is Burgh unboxing, except it's unbagging. This is from pinchme.com. So let's see what's in here. By the way, I'm going out tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be 94. They said 95 earlier. Today was 94. It's 85 in here. They're claiming it's 77 out there. I don't believe it for a minute. It's hot. That's all I know. Poor Fuzzy was lying by the door all day. And I got another video to show you. I've made some cleaning progress. So the only way you can clean in here, though, is before 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when it starts getting hot. All right, here is Burgh unboxing with a bag, and what do we get here? New upgrade your mayonnaise. Heinz mayonnaise. Oh my God. A free coupon. I got a free jar of mayonnaise. And we know all about that mayonnaise stuff from Heinz. Okay, and there's something else in here. We have here, well, I have some eggs. This is a packet of real mayonnaise, and it says made with cage-free eggs, 100%, deliciously creamy. So I have some eggs. When I get some more bread, I will make some egg salad sandwiches with this. So that's tonight's. Let's see, anything else in here? Nope, that's it. Nothing else. All right, this has been Burgh unboxing with free Heinz mayonnaise. Packet and coupon. I never got both before, so that's pretty cool. All right, this is George, son of the guy from Pittsburgh. Fed the cats downstairs. Fluffy, little girl. They ate talky, tiny, orangey, squeakies, gray, and pretty ones. So all the kitties are fine. And Kathy says the male cat came out today again. She doesn't, the little girl's hiding in the closet. She likes the closet. And next week, on the 1st or the 2nd, I will go up and film Kathy's new kitties. And you'll have Kathy's kitty capers. Won't be live, but we're going to film the kitties and let everybody know what they look like. I haven't seen them either, so it'll be exciting. All right, this is George, son of the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. And hopefully dry, wet, and cool for you. And stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.